Animal accidents don't only happen on the ground. Sometimes they occur right in the sky. In this video, I'll show you the most common animal-related accidents involving airplanes in the sky. With terrifying moments of animal collisions captured on camera. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you videos like this. Let's get started. Imagine you're sitting on an airplane when suddenly a flock of birds appears, flying right next to you. Before you can even react, in an instant, a loud bang erupts. Oh, boom! The plane shakes violently, and fire and smoke appear before your eyes. You're left confused, not knowing what just happened. What you're witnessing is the aftermath of a serious bird strike. Surprisingly, such incidents aren't as rare as you might think. Every year, bird strikes cause damages of up to $1.5 billion for the global aviation industry. In the United States alone, these incidents account for about 1/3 of the total, with 18,000 bird strikes recorded annually.
$200.